So hopefully you found our tips pretty useful. Now I'm going to talk about how not to make an iNaturalist observation. So I'm at the base of this really big tree, and I know what this tree is. It's called American sycamore. And a bad picture of this tree would be if I just took a close-up of this bark, like that, and tried to upload that to iNaturalist. That might be confusing. So the sycamore tree is known for the bark peeling off of it. So if I want to take a good photo of this tree, I'm going to go for the part where the bark is peeling off, showing that white underlayer. Another thing I can do is look for a leaf on the ground. If I'm going to take a picture of the ground, again, I don't want to take something indistinguishable. If I take a photo like this, then there's lots of different plant species in one picture, so iNaturalist won't know what to identify. So I'm gonna grab one leaf, and it's okay if your hand's in the picture. I'm gonna go ahead and hold it like this, and my hand will take a nice, steady photo. So I'm gonna upload multiple pictures of the same tree. So I'm gonna do the leaf, I'm gonna do this brown bark, and then I'm gonna look up here and get where the bark is peeling off. So with those three things, I should be able to get a pretty good identification.